In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a MoneyGram transfer online and request your refund. If you've sent a transfer and need to stop it, the good news is that the process is usually quick and straightforward as long as the transfer has not already been picked up or completed. Before you begin, make sure you can access your MoneyGram online account because everything in this walkthrough happens from your account dashboard. Start by logging into your MoneyGram online account. Use the official website and sign in with your account credentials. Once you're in, take a moment to make sure you're on the main account area where your recent activity and transfer information are available. This is important because you'll need to access the specific transaction you want to review. Next, go to your transaction history dashboard. This section shows your past and current transfers, and it's where you can track the status of each one. When you open transaction history, look carefully through the list until you find the active transfer you want to cancel. The key detail here is that the transfer must still be eligible for cancellation. In most cases, that means it has not been picked up yet. If the transfer has already been collected by the receiver, the cancellation option usually won't be available. Once you've found the correct transfer, open its details page. This page gives you more information about the transaction, including its current status. If the transfer is still active and eligible, you should see the option that says Cancel Transfer. Click that option to begin the cancellation process. After that, you'll be asked to confirm the cancellation. Read the confirmation screen carefully so you understand what will happen next. When you confirm, MoneyGram will trigger the refund process for that transfer. Depending on the payment method and your bank or card provider, the refund may not appear instantly, so keep that in mind and allow some processing time. That's all there is to it. Log into your account, open transaction history, find the active transfer, select Cancel Transfer, and confirm the request. If you don't see the cancellation option, double check the transfer status first, since completed or picked up transfers generally can't be canceled online. And as a final tip, always review the transaction details carefully before confirming just to make sure you're canceling the right transfer. That's how to cancel a MoneyGram transfer online and start your refund request.